Before assembly, the seal must be closely inspected for the following defects. No damage on the circumference of the sealing lip or the inner diameter. Check that the pre-tensioning element has no flash or damage. Any damage disqualifies a new seal from use. Never reinstall a used seal or a pre-tensioning element, because there may be defects or geometrical changes you can't see. This will result in a loss of pre-tension or cause the seal to fail. Beyond the seal itself, the grooves must be carefully examined. The bottom, walls, and edges of the grooves must be free of damage, such as burrs and nicks. The surfaces and dimensions of the grooves and the cylinder tube should be finished according to Trelleborg Sealing Solutions specifications. See surface specifications in the YAP and groove dimensions in the Hydraulic Seals Linear Catalog or on the Trelleborg Sealing Solutions homepage. Assembly tools must not have any sharp edges and should be routinely inspected to make sure they have no burrs or scratches. Calibration sleeves must have a lead-in chamfer. The edges must be rounded. The large inner diameter of the sleeve must be bigger than the outer diameter of the installed piston seal. The recommended material for installation tools is polyamide or polyoxymethylene. For further information and support, please contact your local Trelleborg Sealing Solutions marketing company. The installation of piston seals on a clean support plate is recommended. Install the pre-tensioning element into the groove. By moving a finger or a tool 360 degrees around the piston between the element and the groove, you can avoid twisting the O-ring. Place the loading mandrel over the piston so that the edge of the tool ends exactly at the groove length and all grooves above it are covered. Place the Turcon piston seal over the loading mandrel. Position the pusher tool above the seal. With a rapid push, the seal will expand over the loading mandrel and will snap into the groove. The outer diameter of the Turcon piston seals must be calibrated in the final stage using a tapered calibration sleeve. The seal will now sit tightly in the groove. Here's a tip. Turcon piston seals can be installed more easily by heating them before mounting, up to a maximum of 80 degrees Celsius. If the mounting force is too high for a manual operation, support with a machine, for example a press or a drilling machine, is recommended. If no assembly tools are available, the following installation method is recommended. Install the pre-tensioning element into the groove. By moving a finger or a tool 360 degrees around the piston between the element and the groove, you can avoid twisting the O-ring. Place the seal in the groove. Expand the seal by using 2 fabric belts and guide it until it fits into the groove. The outer diameter of Turcon piston seals must be calibrated in the final stage using a tapered calibration sleeve. The seal will now sit tightly in the groove. Cover the tips or sharp edges of the screw threads to avoid damaging the seal during the mounting process. During the manual mounting process, the Turcon piston seal must not be damaged by overstressing the profile. Turcon piston seals must be calibrated after the mounting process. This avoids shearing of the overlapping part of the seal left over from stretching during installation into the cylinder tube. The cylinder tube inner diameter must have a lead-in chamfer of 15 to 20 degrees that must be deburred and rounded. Trelleborg Sealing Solutions, your partner for sealing technology. www.tss.trelleborg.com